Hey everybody, here I am. I'm covered in dust, but I'm getting lots done. I've got my little assembly line of drawers set up here with my bases and uprights, and there's 6 of them that are going to be built to fill those 6 cubbies. And then I will have lots of storage. So I'm gonna get at her. Hey, morning people, here I am with my 6 cubbies that I made last night. I've got one sanded out here all nice and smooth, and I'll show you a little bit of that process. And then I gotta hit these other 5, and I have to get them into my cabinet there. So I will show you how the sanding process works. So first, I start out with all kinds of rough edges. These have actually already been hit once. I've knocked all the burrs off the edges, and I've sanded the entire flat surface inside and out. And then what I do is I go around and I hit the corners to knock them off and kind of round things out. Here's a good comparison actually with these rough corners, and then I knock off all these different edges here where the wood isn't exactly lined up, and try and get them smoothened out like this guy. You're all dusty, bud. You're all dusty. Alright guys, here I am with my last drawer to be stained, which produces one of these guys. This one is just sitting out here waiting to be wiped, which I leave for about 10 minutes. And they all have a pretty even color after that. And then the next step is polyurethane, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. Alright, here we are. I have some stuff at all different stages in the finishing process. So this tabletop surface I have right here waiting to be wiped down. Over here I have some stuff that I've just finished wiping down, and then some stuff that's been drying for a couple hours after being wiped. And then over here I have some more table surfaces that have one coat of clear coat on them, and they are currently waiting to dry so that I can sand them and apply a second coat. So that kind of shows a little bit of an assembly line of the process of how it goes. Hey, there's a good comparison. There's some bare wood. That's what this stuff started out as. It's come a long way compared to that surface to this, and this still doesn't even have a clear coat on it yet. Okay, so I'm gonna let all this stuff dry out, and then I'm gonna go get some exercise because I've been cooped up in the shop, and so is Kiko, so we gotta get outside for a run. How you doing, buddy? You're all cooped up in here with me huffing fumes. Check it out, Kiko. Check out all the stuff. You're not interested in that stuff. You're interested in this. It's a chewy. Okay. Oh, wow. What do you think, bud? What do you think of this new room we got? We gotta build you our little platform. That's gonna be your bed. This is not your side. All kinds of space. What do you think? Gonna be quite the little shack now. Holy cow, I can't believe the amount of space that I'm gonna have. Beside me here, I'm gonna have another 9 inches because I'm gonna build a cap here. Then on top of here, I'm gonna build a cap that'll span this distance so that this is actually a shelf all the way to the window. Man, this is really incredible, the amount of space that I have now. It's like a whole lot of work and a whole lot of ideas that I've had for so long, and I'm finally able to see it in action. So I still have a couple days worth of work ahead of me, but this is really exciting to get it in here and kind of do like a little dry fit. I'm gonna take some measurements now and get these caps built. Kiko's out collecting twigs. Hello. What in the world do you have?